This is where my home stood, and Hurricane Harvey took it from us. And this is my little shed that we have, and we had to take everything out of there, and that's where we're staying, me and the grandkids and my partner. And hopefully we can just wait and hope to get a home. That's all we can do, and have a lot of faith that we're gonna get one. This is our home. This is our Christmas tree that we got the kids. We have 2 grandkids. This is our living quarters here, and this is our small kitchen area right here that we have. And we have plenty of food and plenty things for the kids, and we're all doing okay. It's just that we need a home. And we're also living in a shed. This place right here is a shed, but it's warm and comfortable, and the kids are okay.
We have plenty of food here. We have a pantry. Everybody's being fed and cleaned and is happy. We just need a home. This is the kitchen area where we keep the dishes clean and get everything ready. That leads right back to the bathroom. This is their bathroom. Here is the shower on a crate, as well as their outdoor potty. It is under a tarp.